नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ यूपी पीसीएस 2022 का जो जनरल स्टडीज़ का पेपर आज हुआ है उसके नेक्स्ट 75 क्वेश्चंस दैट इज़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 से 150 तक डिस्कस करूंगा। आशा करता हूं कि इसके पहले के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनकी वीडियो ऑलरेडी हमारे चैनल पर जो शेयर कर दी गई है उससे आप अपने आंसर्स टैली कर लेंगे, जिससे आपको एक रफ आइडिया लग जाएगा आप कितना आज के पेपर में स्कोर कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट 75 क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन 76। Assertion reason का क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 है, a solution of table salt in a glass of water is homogeneous. That is true. A solution having different composition throughout is homogeneous. This is wrong. So your answer would be option B. A is true, B is false. Coming on to question number 77. Select the correct answer. Presiding officer of Vidhan Sabha. Now Ramesh Tavadkar. A matches to 1. So options A and C are gone. T. Satyabrat, which is option C. It matches to Manipur. So C matches to 3. So your answer is option D. So 77 correct answer is option D. 78. T. Malthus propounded one of the most famous theories, the Malthusian theory. It relates to population. Option B. The first interim national government was formed on 25th August 1946. So your answer would be option A. In which of the following stupas the features of a platform with Aryak pillars are found? सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी विच इज अमरावती। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 81। अकॉर्डिंग टू द एनुअल फ्रंटियर रिपोर्ट 2022 रिलीज्ड बाय यूएन एनवायरमेंट प्रोग्राम, विच इंडियन सिटी हैज बिकम द सेकंड मोस्ट नॉइज पोल्यूटेड सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? दिस इज मुरादाबाद। World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16 September, which is option B. Knighthood title to the British government in reaction against Jallianwala Bagh, a repeated question and very very famous question as well. बहुत बार पूछा गया है डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जामिनेशंस में, नॉट ओनली यूपीपीसीएस। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी विच इज रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। Who was the founder of Satya Sodak Samaj, having its primary emphasis on seeking of truth? Satya Sodak Samaj and the person associated with it is Jyotiba Phule. लिस्ट दिए गई है वाटरफॉल्स की एंड देन द लोकेशन। देखिए बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है। जो दूधसागर फॉल है दिस इज इन गोवा, सो ए मैचेस टू 4। एक ही ऑप्शन इसमें ऐसा है विच इज ऑप्शन डी। सो योर करेक्ट आंसर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 इज ऑप्शन डी। इको मार्क इज गिवन टू अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज environment friendly, so answer to this would be option C. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Ishan Varman Harsha stone inscription, that is true. Satya Varman Gaya copper plate, no this is not true, so not correctly पूछा हुआ है, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी। Which of the following mammals lays eggs? so इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी विच इज echidna, शेड्यूल एंड सब्जेक्ट। देखिए फोर्थ शेड्यूल जो है, या चलिए देख लेते हैं सेवन्थ शेड्यूल। सेवन्थ शेड्यूल इज डिफरेंट लिस्ट इसमें दी गई हैं, तो आपका सी का तो डायरेक्ट हो गया ऑप्शन 4। सी मैचेस टू 4, एक ही ऑप्शन ऐसा है, सो योर आंसर टू दिस वुड बी ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन 89 का आंसर हो जाएगा सी। नाउ पर्सन्स एंड एसोसिएटेड वर्क्स। देखिए जो डी के कार्वे हैं, डी के कार्वे इज नोन फॉर सेक्रेटरी विडो रीमैरिज एसोसिएशन। ऑल राइट, तो ए मैचेस टू योर 2। ए मैचेस टू 2 पर ऐसे ऑप्शन आपके पास दो हैं विच इज़ बी एंड सी। सो ए मैचेस टू 2, बी मैचेस टू 1, ये भी हमें चेक नहीं करना, अब हम चेक कर लेंगे। और ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, एंड ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर ही वॉज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ संस्कृत कॉलेज इन कैलकाटा। तो सी मैचेस टू 4, सी मैचेस टू 4, योर आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन बी। तो ऐसे हम देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 का आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। वेस्टर्न रीजन ऑफ यूपी इज मच मोर डेवलप्ड एज कम्पेयर टू अदर रीजन्स। The region has witnessed the green revolution, that is true, so both the statements are true. Which of the following buildings of New Delhi has been converted into Prime Minister's Museum? This is Teen Murti Bhavan, which is option C. Committee heir of appointment, so Ashok Mehta Committee 1950 से अशोक मेहता कमेटी, पहले हम बलवंत राय देख लेते हैं। चले बलवंत राय 1957, so A matches to 1, ऐसा ऑप्शन इसमें एक ही है, so your answer to this would be option B. Ecological niche, which of the following statements are correct? It represents the range of conditions that it can tolerate the resources it utilizes and its functional role in ecological ecosystem. ये कीवर्ड है functional role आपका ecological niche का। So yes, one is correct. Each species has a different niche, that is also true. So your answer to this would be option B. From which place Jayata and Kumpa were associated who impressed Sher Shah with their valor? So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका मारवाड़। Which religious group in India has its highest urban population? This is Jain. Which of the following three states of India were top performing states under Niti Aayog's State Energy and Climate Index declared on 10th April 2022? This is Gujarat, Kerala and Punjab. Option C. following cities of UP and arrange them in descending order in terms of their population. 4 ciटीज़ दी गई हैं, गाजियाबाद, कानपुर, आगरा, लखनऊ. योर आंसर टू दिस वुड बी कानपुर सबसे ज़्यादा जो हो जाएगी. फिर भी आप पे 2 ऑप्शन बचते हैं, देखिए. सो कानपुर के बाद आ जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन 4 विच इज़ लखनऊ. सो योर आंसर टू दिस देन बिकम्स ऑप्शन सी. Moving on to question number 99. Who is the record holder for single longest space flight by NASA astronaut aboard the International Space Station? This is Mark Vande Hei, which is option C. Sequential order in the Constitution according to the subject in which they have been placed. So the union and its territory, yes, that is true. It comes first, then comes your citizenship. 1 के बाद आ जाएगा आपका 3. That is enough for our question, and so the answer to this would be option B. Moving on to the next question. Medical students of India were brought to India from Ukraine under Operation Ganga. Very, very famous. Answer is Operation Ganga, which is option D. Not a greenhouse gas. Argon, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, carbon dioxide. So answer is argon. Now, the 4 battles have been given. This is a very difficult question. Battle of Deorai, defeat of Sujaz near Banaras, Battle of Samugarh, victory at Dharmat. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका कोड A, which is 2431. Next is which charity of India has launched the country's first digital water data bank aquarium for clean water and water security in April 2022. This is Karnataka. So 104 का आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन A. The atmosphere of Saturn contains which one of the following gas in large quantity? So your answer to this would be methane. Karakum Desert is located in which of the following countries? This is Turkmenistan. Option A. The dengue fever is caused by Aedes mosquito. Option B. Question number 108. We have the text and the writers. So देखिए, अगर आपको रागमाला का पता है, रागमाला was written by पुंडरीक विट्ठल. So your answer matches directly, and this is option D. Quantity and SI unit. Activity of radioactive substance, Curie. No, this is not correct. Power of lens diopter is correct. Heat joule is correct. Pressure Pascal is correct. SI units. So यार not correct पूछा था, तो इसमें आंसर आपका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन A. List and state. Manas, of course, is Assam. A matches to 3. A की option है. Very easy question. So your answer to this would be option D. Not a sustainable development goal as per 2030 to be achieved by 2030. This is space research, quality education, gender equality, hunger index, zero hunger. Sorry. So yes, the answer to this would be space research. Famous Rohur core field is located in very very repeated question, and ये बहुत ही famous question है. काफ़ी बार पूछा भी गया है different competitive exams में. This is Germany. Next question is compressed natural gas CNG is mainly composed of. This is methane. Now ocean and maximum deepest point. तो आपका सीधे सीधे आपको पता होगा पैसिफिक का तो होगा मैरियाना ट्रेंच, राइट. ए का 3. इसके बाद आपका ऑप्शन ए और सी तो कट ही गए. ए का हो जाएगा 3. ए और सी आपके कट गए. तो 3 के बाद आप देखें आर्कटिक का हो जाएगा आपका प्यूर्टो रिको ट्रेंच. सॉरी, आर्कटिक का नहीं, आप इंडियन ओशन का देखें. इंडियन ओशन का आपका हो जाएगा प्यूर्टो रिको ट्रेंच. सी का हो जाएगा आपका 1. यस नहीं, सी सॉरी लेट अस सी एट दिस. तो आपके ए और सी ऑप्शंस आर गॉन. नाउ लेट अस see the remaining 2 options. A matches to 3. This is correct. We don't have to check option C because C तो हमारा already correct है. Now we'll check your option B, Arctic, and the maximum deepest point is Molly Deep. So your answer to this would be 3, 4, 1, 2, which is option D. List 1, list 2, area and noise level. Okay, so here you know that residential area. So the answer for residential area is 55 decibels. Silent zone is 50 decibels. Silent zone is 50 decibels. अगर ये भी आपको पता है तो B matches to 1. Still 2 options are left. 2, 1 तो है ही है. अब हमें देखना है कमर्शियल जोन. तो कमर्शियल जोन जो होगा आपका D, so that will match to 3, which is 65 decibels. D matches to 3, hence your answer to this would be option C. Moving on to next question. Which of the following did not serve as vice president before assuming the office of president of India? So इसका आंसर आपका हो जाएगा योर डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन, विच इज़ ऑप्शन सी. न्यूज़पेपर एंड प्लेस ऑफ पब्लिकेशन. देखिए जो स्वदेश है दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी फेमस एंड इट वॉज पब्लिश्ड फ्रॉम गोरखपुर. सो योर आंसर इज ओनली one option, which is option B. No confusion in this question. Which of the following are correct regarding Make in India? It was launched in the year 2014. Yes. Aims at encouraging companies for manufacturing in India and facilitating investment. Both are correct. BIMSTEC. PM Narendra Modi addressed the 5th BIMSTEC summit on 30th March 2022. 5th BIMSTEC summit had been chaired by India. No, only one is correct, so our answer to this would be option D. Idea of urbanization was elaborated by which of the following sociologists? इस question में मुझे थोड़ा confusion है. Do let us know your answers in the comment section if you know the right answer with the right source. But according to me, the answer to this would be option A, M.N. Srinivas. Main purpose of Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985 was make its water pollution free only. God and its symbol. तो देखिए शिवा का हो जाएगा आपका ट्राइडेंट. A matches to 2. A matches to 2. एक ही ऑप्शन ऐसा है, so your answer would be option D. Next is trade unions and party affiliation. So भारतीय मजदूर संघ, this is भारतीय जनता पार्टी. A matches to 4. एक ही ऑप्शन ऐसा है आपका यहाँ पे, so your answer to this would be option D. Partygate scandal of United Kingdom. It relates to flouting of COVID-19 norms by British PM's office. Which of the following is a targeted group under the Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi scheme? Street vendors, very famous. 10k collateral loan is given to the street vendors under Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi scheme. Borneo Island, located in Southeast Asia, it is divided among 3 countries. That is true. It has been formed due to volcanic depression. That is also no. This is not true. So your answer would be option B. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Neoprene, specialized rubber, that is true. Aspartame, synthetic sweetener, that is also true. Oxytocin hormone. Rayon, modified starch, no, this is not true. Not correct पूछा था, so answer to 127 would be option D. Founder of Hindustan Socialist Democratic Union, this is Vyomesh Chandra, Gopen Chakravarti and Sachinand Sanyal. Demographic dividend, age taken for demographic dividend is working population from 15 to 59 years. Next is list 1, list 2, hill mountain. तो बाटेश्वर हिल जो आ जाएगा आपका, दिस इज बिहार. A मैचेस टू 3, बट इससे हमारा आंसर नहीं आएगा बिकॉज योर ऑप्शन A and D are gone, but B and C are still there. Let us look at Billari range. Billari range belongs to Karnataka, so B matches to 4, A to 3, B to 4, and answer to this is option C. By which amendment Delhi has been made national capital region? This is 69th. Solar energy is converted into electrical energy through photovoltaic cells. Signed the agreement to resolve Assam-Meghalaya border dispute in 2022. It has been signed between the chief ministers of Assam and Meghalaya. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 134. Not a fundamental duty, so the answer to this would be option A, to protect monuments in places of national importance. All the others, to safeguard public property, respect national anthem, protect and improve the natural environment, are fundamental duties. Officer and ड्यूटी, इस क्वेश्चन में मुझे अभी भी डाउट है, सो आई एम नॉट गिविंग आउट द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. इफ समबडी फाइंड्स, अगर आपको कहीं पे इसका करेक्ट आंसर विद सोर्स मिल जाता है तो डू पुट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स सो दैट इट कैन बी हेल्पफुल टू अदर एस्पिरेंट्स एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इज रेवोल्यूशन एंड टू विच इट इज़ रिलेटेड, राइट. सो देखिए बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन ये था. गोल्डन रेवोल्यूशन आपका हॉर्टिकल्चर एंड हनी, A मैचेस टू 2, बट स्टिल वी आर लेफ्ट विद 2 ऑप्शन. सो ग्रे रेवोल्यूशन जो आपका हो जाएगा that is related to your fertilizers, B matches to 4, तो आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन A. Is a landlocked country, landlocked country आपका हो जाएगी Bolivia, so answer to this would be option D. Earth's atmosphere is mainly heated by long wave terrestrial radiation, so answer to this would be option A. Most of the sources of energy we use represent stored solar energy. Which of the following is not ultimately derived from sun's energy? This is nuclear energy, of course. As of early 2022, which country was at the top in steel production in the world? This is China. Not correctly matched. 11th, 13th, 1999, 11th, 1996, 9th, 1989, 7th, 1982. No, this is not correct. Moving on to next question, which is 142. Correctly matched. Gujarat tea. नहीं, गलत है ये तो आपका. उत्तर प्रदेश जूट. No, this is also wrong. Kerala rubber. This is correct. So your answer to this would be option C. United Nations Development Program has identified following categories of poverty. Which one is correct? Both A and B, income poverty and human poverty. Rainfall occurs in winter season in Mediterranean climate. That is true. In summer, these regions remain under the influence of dry terrestrial winds. This is also true, but R is not the correct explanation. So your answer to this would be option C. Jal Jeevan Mission was launched in 2019-20. Mughal ruler patronaged Kavindra Acharya Saraswati of Banaras, a great scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi. So your answer to this would be Shah Jahan, which is option A. Uttar Pradesh Day is celebrated on which date? This is 24th January. Sinovac given for COVID-19 is a whole virus vaccine, which is option C. Question number 149. With reference to Commonwealth Games to scheduled in 2022 and 26, which of the following statements are correct? 2022 will be held in Birmingham. That is true. And Commonwealth Games will be held in Victoria, Australia in 2026. This is also true. So Birmingham and Australia both are correct. Your answer to this would be option B, which is both 1 and 2. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change has declared which day as Dolphin Day? Dolphin Day, this is October 5. And with that, we come to the end of our discussion of 150 questions of UPPCS पेपर 2022 जनरल स्टडीज़. इससे पहले के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं 1 to क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 वो हम पार्ट 1 में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. आई गिव द लिंक टू दैट वीडियो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड पिन इट. डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स सो दैट it can help all those who are preparing for competitive examinations. Thank you and keep learning.